linear equation and two variables are simultaneous equation or system of linear equation and two variables. Before starting the lecture, click on the subscribe button and get access to our 100 of conceptual lectures for free. Firstly, you should learn that what is linear equation and two variables or system of linear equation and two variables. Let's consider that x plus y is equal to 6. Here x is a variable, y is also a variable, and 6 is a constant or a real number. So there are three ingredients in this equation. Two variables x and y, and one constant or real number 6. Thus remember that whenever there are two variables and one constant, we call it simultaneous equation or linear equation and two variables. Also remember that when we solve linear equation and two variables, we always get two possible solutions for x and y. Other examples of linear equations are 3x plus y is equal to 10. Can you spot the three ingredients? I hope you can. The two variables are x and y, and one constant is 10. What about this 3? Well, it is the coefficient of x. One last example of linear equation and two variable is x minus 9y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is also a linear equation and two variables. Remember that the general form of simultaneous equation, a linear equation and two variable is ax plus by is equal to c, or ax plus by minus c is equal to 0, where x and y are two variables, c is constant, while a is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y. Now, how can we solve linear equation and two variables? There are different methods of solving linear equation and two variables, like algebraic method or graphical method. Now, solving linear equation and two variables using algebraic method like substitution method. Let's consider x minus y is equal to 8. And x plus 3y is equal to 20. To solve linear equations and two variables by substitution method, we are usually given two simultaneous equations. Now I call this equation as equation number 1, and I call this equation as equation number 2. Firstly, I take the first equation and write it here. X minus y is equal to 8. I will shift negative y or minus y from the left hand side to the right hand side. I get x is equal to 8 plus y. I call this as equation number 3. Remember that 8 plus y is the value or price of x variable. I will put the price or value of x and equation number 2. Hence, write here equation number 2. X plus 3y is equal to 20. Plug in the values or price of x, 8 plus y in this equation. I get 8 plus y plus 3y is equal to 20. Now y plus 3y is equal to 4y. I write 8 plus 4y is equal to 20. Shift 8 from the left hand side to the right hand side. I get 4y is equal to 12, or y is equal to 3. So we get y is equal to 3. Now what about the value of x? Well, put the value of y is equal to 3 in either equation number 1 or in equation number 2, and you will get the value of x. I write here first equation, x minus y is equal to 8, and I will plug in the value of y is equal to 3 in this equation. I get x minus 3 is equal to 8. Shift negative 3 or minus 3 from the left hand side to the right hand side. I get x is equal to 11. Thus for linear equation, x minus y is equal to 8 and x plus 3y is equal to 20, we got two possible values or two possible solutions for them. One is x is equal to 11 and the another is y is equal to 3. Now I will check my answer, or I will check that either these two values are the solutions of these two equations. The first equation is x minus y is equal to 8. Plug in both the values of x and y in first equation. I get 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. Thus 8 is equal to 8. Hence left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And here x is equal to 11 and y is equal to 3 are the two solutions of x minus y is equal to 8. Or we can say that x is equal to 11 and y is equal to 3 are the solutions of this equation. Now the second equation, x plus 3y is equal to 20. We are going to plug in x is equal to 11 and y is equal to 3 and equation number 2. Thus I get 11 plus 3 into 3 is equal to 20. 11 plus 3 into 3 is equal to 20. Thus I get 20 is equal to 20. Here again left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Thus x is equal to 11 and y is equal to 3 are the possible solutions of this equation. To learn solving linear equation and two variables by graphical method, watch our next video. I hope that you have learned the concept of linear equation and two variables. If you have learned something new in this video, then like this video and subscribe our channel for more conceptual lectures. Thank you very much for watching this video.